Boys and girls, before we start reading around the world, I think you need to learn a little bit about our world. I'm going to be reading to you. Here we are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. This book is written and illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. How to find your way whenever you get lost. This is North, the North Star, the Little Dipper, the Big Dipper. You'll find out the South in just a little bit. Here we are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. For my son Harlan, this book was written in the first 2 months of your life as I try to make sense of it all for you. These are the things I think you need to know. I agree, boys and girls. Let's find out all about this world God created for us. This, boys and girls, is our solar system, one of million, billions, trillions. Well, probably not to scale. Here's the sun, Mercury, Venus, the Earth. Here we are, the moon, Mars, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, and our favorite dwarf planet, Pluto. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. Here's us, 238,855 miles from the moon. Here's space. Here's Mars. The next planet is another 140 million miles that way. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of 2 parts: land, rock and dirt, sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we're standing on right now, and we know lots about the land. It's dry, hot, flat, bumpy, really hot, pointy, cold, and wet. I almost forgot wet. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk about that some more once you've learned how to swim. This is an iceberg, frozen water, and we think it goes down 7 miles deep. We think. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. We've got constellations, which are patterns of stars, the Milky Way, billions of other stars and planets, other planets, stars which are burning balls of gas very far away that you see at the night unless it's raining. We spin around the sun, and the moon spins around us. Outer space, stratos thingies, air we breathe, snow, which is frozen falling water, wind, which is moving air, land, rainbows, rain, which is falling water, clouds, which is floating water, the sea, storm clouds, lightning, our atmosphere. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person, and you have a body, a head with a brain for thinking, arms, a heart to pump your blood, lungs for breathing air, a belly, legs, and bones to hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Bits that do grow back are your nails and your hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes and sizes and colors. We may all look different, act different, sound different, la la la. But don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes and sizes and colors. They can't speak though. That's no reason not to be nice to them. You may not be able to speak or to read yet either, but your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words and read words soon enough. Generally, how it works, boys and girls, is that when the sun is out, it is daytime and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Please. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly so use your time well. It'll be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out. So there is plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are a lot of us on here, so be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it is all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. Well, boys and girls, here is the South, the Southern Cross, the Achernar, the South Celestial Pole, pointers. This is South. And that's how to find your way if ever you get lost. Well, boys and girls, this journey around the world is going to be very fun. I'm glad I can be with you on it. I will read to you later.